Good day. Today we're going to be discussing chapter 19, building a lemonade stand. Um, yeah, just gonna go through the code and how we build the how to build this application. So today I'm here with my navigator Ronnie.
Hello, good people. I'll be navigating this session.
All right, let's get into it. So here you can see this is how the application will basically look, right? So if I can go into it, this is the lemonade stand over here, and then here it shows the what's this, the degrees for each day, right? So the temperature degrees for each day, and here you can select the amount of glasses of lemonade you want for the week, and then how much you will charge for a glass of lemonade this week. And then when you click open the stand, it shows the results over here. So Monday you sold 3 glasses of lemonade, Tuesday 0 glasses, and so on. And it shows the total amount of glasses what's this you sold at the end of the week. And then it shows the total revenue and the amount of glasses of lemonade you have left over, and that each glass costs $0.5, and it also shows your profit. When you click profit, then it shows your profit over here with this prompt. So let's discuss how that's done in the code. So basically, firstly we have a variable here, well, an array, and within the array we have the days of the week, Monday till Friday. Then we have the variable weather, and then sunny, partly sunny, and all the descriptions of the weather within this array. And obviously these will be indexed in order to go through each day and each weather for the application to be displayed over here. Then we have the variable max temp, and the maximum temperature is 110 and the minimum temperature is 32. We have a variable lemonade cost, which is 0.5. So this is basically the cost for one lemonade. So as you can see here, it says here each glass costs 0.5, right? And if I order one glass over here, if I order one glass of lemonade here and I check what my profit is, and it shows 0.5. So that's a lemonade cost. And then the variable daily temperature, it's an empty array basically, and this is to store the daily temperature basically for the whole week. Then over here we have a get element by ID. Basically what it does, it accesses this ID open the stand. So the ID open the stand over here. So reason being is open the stand is meant to be a button, right? And over here you can see it says open the stand, and within it there's a tags, the button tags basically. So what happens is it accesses the open stand ID, and it adds an event listener, which is click, right? And what this ensures is that you're able to click the open stand button. So when you choose the amount of lemonade you want, right, and how much you'll charge for a glass of lemonade, when I click open the stand, it's clickable and it shows the results there. That's because of that line of code that accesses the ID open the stand and adds the event listener to click. Then we have generate weather, which is a function that's called. So it makes the week, it generates the weather for each day of the week, basically. So you get into that function, generate weather over here, which contains a variable weather today, so the weather for that specific day, and the temperature for that specific day as well. And then there's a for loop within this function. What this for loop is basically saying is that if I is initialized to 0, right, and I is less than the days of the week, So less than days dot length. So what that means is that it has to be less than the days, all the days within the week, which is Monday to Friday. So less than, I believe, 5 days. Yeah, less than 5, basically. And while that's happening, I will continuously be incremented. So I is basically the index. So it will continuously be incremented through all the days of the week, basically. So yeah, in this for loop, within this loop, we have the weather today, this variable, and assigned to the variable, right? We have this this line of code which randomizes the weather for that specific day. So you have math.random, and you know that math.random picks a number between 0 and 1, a decimal number, and basically multiplies it by the weather.length, right? And then that will give it basically the proper number that you get from the randomized line of code over here. So here it shows 80, 32, 46, and so on. That's because the number was randomized because of this line of code here. Same with the temperature for the day. The same line of code was used as well, but the difference here is the maximum temperature is minus by the minimum temperature as well, then it's added by the minimum temperature. And yeah, then daily temperature is indexed by I, and then it equals to temperature for the day. And then here we have the get element by ID, which accesses the 5-day weather ID, right? So 5-day weather ID is here within the body tag over here. Reason it accesses it because the inner HTML, it modifies the string, or let me say it modifies the string that will be presented on the web page, right? So here, what will be presented is the days that are incremented. So Monday till Friday will be presented, right? The weather for the day will be presented as well as the days which is incremented to, and then the weather for that day as well will be displayed in that line of code or that paragraph. And then the temperature for the day. Temperature for the day, as we can see here, which is basically the degrees. Yeah. Yeah.
Although there's one thing confused me, or you see at let me just go through line 33 on the days.
Yeah. This one.
Yeah. So yeah, like that
Yeah.
we did our variable. We said I is equals to 0. Ne? So I want to understand why they put I inside the days, or is that the index or something?
So from what I understand, right, you see this I, né?
So,
I basically represents the index. So what it does, right? So you have your variable days. I mean, let me see. You have your array days, né? Right? And then you see the one here at the top, right?
Yeah.
So basically, what happens is I is indexing through each day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But remember, indexing starts from 0. So say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So it indexes through each day. So that when it's displayed, right, it can display each day over here.
Yeah. So
Monday, Tuesday,
that one I did understand. So like the thing is confusing me more. That I like is the purpose of indexing, or maybe is the I that inside the for loop, or what? Like
it's basically I is a variable.
Yeah.
Here it is. And then what's assigned to it is 0. So it basically starts at 0.
Yeah.
You see? And then when it indexes through the days, what happens? It starts at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
So
let's
let's see it here. Né? So let's call days. You see, I'm calling days, right?
Yeah.
Wait. Wait, no, I don't think. Let's just call the thing days, the variable days, right? So it indexes to each of these days. That's the best way I can understand it, man.
If or come on, if on the for loop on the VR, if you can put maybe variable of car, then driver value of 0, then inside the array of days, then you put car. That means it go to like display the days like in the index, like in the consecutive form.
Yeah, basically it will start from Monday, and then it will display all of it all the way until Friday. You understand?
Oh, that I is just an like variable. You can put whatever as long you
Yeah.
give
So
the
like I
value
can
of 0. Then
yeah, you can put anything. Like let's say you just say days, right? Then you'll also
yeah.
have to change it here and put days within the index. But that's the variable. That's a 0 is assigned to this variable I, right? And I say I is the index because it goes through each day within the array. You get what I'm saying? That's the best way I can explain it. Yeah.
So if our variable I refer one, what will happen?
If you give it 1, I think it will start. I believe
Counting by Tuesday.
I believe it will start counting by Tuesday. So
Yeah. Let's just see.
is there a way you can see that on the console? Let's see. So wait, how will you call it on the thing? Let's see.
This what's the this?
Let's see. No.
But the things on say Monday. Why?
Hold on. Let's see something.
Refresh. What's the refreshing? Yeah.
Refresh.
And for that I was confusing more. Why? It's the very. We did Papa. Yes. Wow.
Yeah, I wouldn't know. With that, I wouldn't know. But what I understand, right, is that
Sure.
you see, it basically indexes through each day of the week. That's all I understand about the variable I. And then over here you can see it's being incremented as well.
Yeah.
So when it's incremented, it increments through each day of the week. Let me say. So from what I understand, that's why it's presenting. Let me show you on the web page. That's why on the web page it's. Oh look, we actually have a difference now. You're right, because we started at 1, né? Yes,
Yeah, I see you.
Wednesday,
There was this,
Thursday,
yeah, I do it.
So yeah, that was a good way to look at it. So if we start at 2, so you see what I was trying to say is it indexes, right, through each day of the week.
Yeah.
So let's say you start
Then if you put 2,
we know that
by
yeah, because we know that 0, 1, 2. Wednesday is basically 2. When it comes to indexing, Wednesday is basically 2. You see? So what happens is it starts by Wednesday. And so on.
Now I did understand.
That was actually a good question. Yeah, I didn't understand that as well. But that's I basically it basically indexes through each day of the week.
Oh, the reason why they used to eat on the for loop like
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Because you can name it anything. You can even say X, man. you can say X, and then you change this to X as long as it indexes through the array. You get what I'm saying?
Sure.
So yeah, that's what we can understand from it. So yeah. Then moving on, where was I? Oh yeah, I was talking about this, how it's displayed. So yeah, we were here, right, and saying days I, that will increment through the days of the week. That's why it shows, right? Like we were saying, it shows Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, because it's indexing, right? If you took away this I, it won't index and it won't show the days. So yeah, that's that for this function generate weather. So it generates the weather. Then we have function open the stand, right? Within this function we have a variable glasses sold and total glasses and glasses left, and they all have the value of 0. And then reset form over here, basically it resets the form when you refresh the page. So as soon as you do this, then it resets everything. Then here, in order to get input, right, you have the variable number of glasses, and then within it you have the get element by ID, which accesses the number of glasses, right, and then it shows the value for the number of glasses. So let's say we open the stand. Wait. Get element.
I think you made mistake. You said what? Just go through your code.
What here?
Yeah. Explain line 40, yeah, 49.
Yeah.
Go again.
So here is the variable, right? Number of glasses. And then here the get element by ID accesses this ID number of glasses. Yeah?
Yeah.
And basically assigns a value to it, or it shows the value of the number of glasses. But I'm not sure how that's presented on the web page. But
that's why I was saying I think you made like mistake, because now I couldn't understand it there. I think they're trying to say when you put the value on the number of classes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so when you put the okay, yeah, I see now. Yeah.
Yeah.
That makes
more
sense.
They did say dot value.
Yeah. So, no, but but it's saying when you put the value inside here. So when you put the value here, and then also here, the glass price.
That's price.
When you put how much you will charge. Am I correct?
Yeah.
And then click open the stand. Yeah. Now understand that. And then the for loop. Within this for loop you have a variable I equals 0. Then I is less than the days dot length, and then it's being incremented, right? So remember we're saying I basically indexes. I think here it's also indexing through the days of the week.
I can see.
You see? And it's basically saying while I is less than the days of the week, so we know there's 5 days, this is Monday to Friday. While it's less than the days, then these all of this is basically executed when this condition is true. So here we have the glasses sold, right? And the line of code like it randomizes the glasses that are sold. Does it? Yeah. It uses the but here there's no this is confusing. You see here there's no
Come again. Come again. You said what?
Look here. Here it just shows math.flow. Doesn't show.
Daily temperature.
Oh, you know what? Right? This is just what's this? Converting. It's rounding it off to a decimal value.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Daily
It's not
temperature.
randomizing the.
Then then it's going to display in the consecutive because we did put the I there
Yeah.
with the index. Then it's going to say 98 on Monday, 90 on the Tuesday, blah blah blah. We just
Yeah.
go up and see what is saying. Yeah. See 82 on Monday, 76 on Tuesday. Yeah.
No, but that's degrees. You're talking about degrees. We're talking about this is okay, yes. Yeah, daily temperature. And yeah, it
And
basically
gas price.
But this is also why does it show glass price there as well? It's weird. Let me see.
You see, I choose they said sold 0, what blah. If there is 0, blah blah blah.
So
Yeah.
here. Okay. I see. Alright, cool. But let's move on to here. So then the glasses left. How that's calculated is takes this variable number of glasses, right? So we discussed this one. Takes this number of glasses and it subtracts it with the total glasses. And then you get the glasses that are left, right? So does it show how many glasses will be left? Can you show this on the console? Let's see.
It says where the code.
Wait, let's see how. Glasses left.
They said that top left is close to what?
No, it doesn't show. Glasses left is
Glass left.
number of glasses minus the total glasses.
What?
Yeah. So.
Oh, zero.
But here it's so zero, right? But like when you order the glasses, right, of lemonade, and you have the number of glasses, you can subtract both of them, and then you get this. That's what I understand from it. But
yeah,
that's after, and then you. That's why it says how many glasses you have now. Then in this if statement, yeah, man, this code, this one is quite difficult to understand, man.
Man, let me just see.
Glasses sold. Yeah, I know this.
If
glasses sold is greater than the glasses left, right? What happens is the glasses sold will be equal to the glasses left. So the glasses sold will be equal to the glasses left. That is that I don't understand. That I don't understand, bro.
And friend, man, let me just see. Remove that breaking point because.
Wait. You think we can figure this out on the debugger? Glasses sold equals glasses left.
If glasses sold,
yeah,
is greater than glass left. What?
This, if glasses sold is equal to glass is greater than glasses left, glasses sold is equal to glasses left. That's what it's saying.
If glass sold means let's say it's 5, then it's greater than glass left.
So it's saying you can't sell more than you have. Oh, if basically the amount of glasses you have, right?
Yeah.
You can't sell more than that. That's what it's saying. So let's say you have 5 glasses, right? You can't sell more than 5 glasses. So that's why it says the glasses you sell. If the glasses you sell is greater than the glasses you have left, right? Then the glasses sold is equal to the glasses left. So the glasses you sell is basically equal to the glasses you have left. Oh, it's kind of difficult to understand.
This is glasses you sell, maybe it's fine if it's greater than the glasses you sold. What?
Why is this commented out? Oh, no, it's not. Okay, let's see. Can you?
You put 2 breaking point.
Is it 2? Yo, 3.
Hey, what is 3?
3, 4. Yo, jeez. I don't know how to do this on the debugger, but man, yo. And then you see it just skips. It just goes to the end. Or maybe I'm supposed to step into. So
let me just see a breaking point.
This video is gonna be long. Yo.
Before you go through the function, you must step in because it goes towards on the.
But where should I start my breaking point? Let's start it. Here by this for loop, right? But it doesn't break here. Why not? See how the debugger, man. Yo.
Access. Press what? Open the stand what?
Where?
Button. Put the then go through a browser and not refresh. On how many glasses lemonade? Just put 1 and then press open stand. Then go to pause the code.
Wait, what do you mean?
Go through that 2 button and
which button?
Left. On left. Left the button, man.
Which button?
On the left.
Oh, you
the browser, yeah.
You say in the
so put numbers there. Yeah, put numbers. 5 and put another
Let's go
one.
5.
Then press.
Oh, of course. Oh, I see now. Yeah. And then
now you can watch or what you want to watch. Like debugger Tom, it used to see that variable or according to its value is correct, or maybe I did put the wrong value there. Then go to show maybe that variable is 4. Maybe you did put 5 mistake. Then you can see, oh, I did put the wrong value. Then I must correct it.
So what should I watch? Glasses sold.
You see, it says glasses sold is 0.
Hey.
Yeah, it's the value of glasses. You can just check on the your variables there. You can just check. You see the glasses sold.
And if I step over now, it will go through the loop.
It increases the glasses over.
Now it's 20.
That means glasses left. Let me just see. Minus 0. Oh, glasses price minus 5.
So there's 20 glasses. I should be watching the glasses left.
Yeah, watch right now. And see.
right?
Step over.
Let me
Oh,
step
don't,
back.
yeah.
Wait, step over from here. Okay, look, glasses left 5.
5.
So if glasses sold is greater than glasses left,
Hey, this thing, man.
so that means
Confuses me.
glasses sold is also 5 because it says glasses sold is equal to glasses left.
But at the beginning, the glasses sold is 20.
Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, we're gonna have to ask David about this one, bro. We'll have questions next week. So let's remember this.
Let's think Savala.
Yeah?
Let's think Savala. Maro, you can ask him.
Yeah, next week's closing, but we will try. I'll just remember this. Because now I'm on 30 minutes, man.
Yes, bro.
Yeah? So, yeah, let's where do I let me continue explaining, yeah. So yeah, I didn't explain all the key points, eh? So this here accesses this get element by ID accesses result, right? And then it has this paragraph tag. Within it displays the days, right? So the days you sold and then the glasses you sold for that day, right? So now that will show is Monday you sold 5 glasses of lemonade. Tuesday you sold 0 glasses of lemonade, and so on. That's because it's also being indexed as well by I. And then yeah. Then let's talk about this function quickly. Here basically creates the clickable button for this is my profit, so you can click and access what your profit is when the prompt pops up. Then function display results. This function has a variable revenue. Revenue is calculated by the weekly sales multiplied by the glass price. The expense is calculated by the weekly inventory multiplied by lemon cost. And the leftover is weekly inventory minus weekly sales. And then also the profit, revenue minus expenses. And then this also displays using the inner HTML. So you sold a total of how many your weekly sales variable assigned here, and then the glasses of lemonade this week. So it will show here you sold a total of 5 glasses of lemonade this week. And yeah, it does the same for here. It displays the revenue, the amount of glasses you have left over, lemon cost, as well as the profit. It's all displayed here, so you can see your profit is displayed here, and then glasses sold over there. And then this function, this is my profit. It alerts you about your profit. So your profit this week is, and then it shows the profit for the week. So over here, when you click what your profit is, it shows the profit because of that line of code. And then yeah, also the reset form here. It resets the form when you refresh. It shows an empty string over here. So yeah, I think try to cover everything, but Ronnie, any last comments?
No, I don't have question, man. Just
Yeah, that was it was confusing when we got to that debugger, but I think I'll ask questions for that. But yeah, thank you for watching. Thanks.